Today, we begin at level 1. No shortcuts, no fake mastery, just one object at a time. Not a tutorial series, not a speedrun, a real level up journey. If you are starting from zero, good. That means you are exactly where you are supposed to be. This level is about curves, smooth shading, and learning how simple forms become believable objects. Most beginners open Blender and think, how do people actually make things in this software? But almost every complex model thing starts the same way, and life also works the same. Simple shapes controlled carefully. Now let's start with blockout. At this stage, proportions matter more than details. A good silhouette can make even simple object feel intentional. So let's add in reference and base mesh. You can find link in the description. Download it from here and don't forget to like. And then add your base mesh and roughly scale to approximate the size of real world scale cup. Then delete human and add a single word which comes with extra mesh add-on which you can download from anywhere. Search it on Chrome, you will find it, and place that single word to the bottom of your mesh or your reference. Then start tracing it out fast as you can. Apply a screw modifier and subdivision surface. Now you will have a good silhouette, so then you can start tracing out your handle. Then apply a solidify modifier on your cup to give it some thickness. This curve controls the entire silhouette, so even tiny change completely change the personality of the cup. And honestly, my first attempts looks terrible. The cup felt heavy, the rim was too thick, the shape has no elegance, which is normal. This series is not about pretending to be perfect, it's about learning to see problems and slowly fixing them. The handle is deceptively important. It controls comfort, balance and visual weight. Most beginners make handle too thin or too sharp, making the mug feel fragile. But once the curve becomes smoother, thickness feels believable, the entire object suddenly feels more real. Then do the basic cleanup and apply a floor and let's ready for material. For level 1, we keep material simple because realism is not about complexity, it's about controlled decisions. One clean material, so put the exact same value and we made after the material. Now lighting depends on you. It's about how simple you wanna look it. It's about the context you wanna show. For now I am keeping it simple. Then render your frame and here it is, our final result. It doesn't look that great, so I changed some lighting and now it is. Now the common mistakes beginner artists will make. A common mistake is over detailing too early. People try to fix weak shapes with extra geometry, scratches and fancy material. But if silhouette is weak, nothing else can save it. Even materials and normal apps can't. And that's level 1, just a puff, but also the first proof that we started. Every 3D artist has an origin point. This is ours. Now mini challenge time. Your challenge is to create one cup. It can be stylized, sci-fi, realistic, minimum, doesn't matter. What's matter is finishing. Render it, upload it and make sure to include the hidden code work which was in this video. 1 down, 99 more to go. Let's keep grinding. And the next level is elegance.